The circle graph shows how Rita budgets a total of $2,300 for the month. And we have a pie chart here which describes all of the costs of things that Rita has in her budget. And down here we have the question: find the percentage of the total budgeted for each category listed below. So we start out with housing. We have to find the percentage of the total cost that housing represents. Here's how you do it. So we go in and we find housing in the pie chart, which is here. And we see that the amount is $529. So what we want to do to turn that to a percentage of the total pie is we use the housing number as the dividend in a division problem. So 529 goes before the division symbol. And the total is what is going to be the divisor. This is how we find the percentage of something. All right, so the total of 2,300. We always use the total as the divisor when you're calculating percent like this. And so we head over to the calculator. 529 divided by 2,300. 529 divided by 2,300 equals, and you get a decimal of 0.23. To turn that into a percent, just multiply it by 100, which is going to basically just move the decimal over twice to the right. Our answer is 23%. And so that is going to be the response for housing. So for here, you would type in 23. All right, let's move on to utilities. And so utilities we find here, that's 184. So now in a division problem, we go with 184 as our dividend, and the divisor still is 2,300. We always use the total in the percentage equation. So 184 divided by 2,300, 184 divided by 2,300, that's 0.08. And we multiply that by 100 to turn it to a percent. Of course, that is going to be 8. And so we would go with 8 for utilities. Finally, we have entertainment. And so entertainment we find in the pie chart. And that's here, $138. So 138 will be the dividend this time. 138 divided by 2,300. Okay, we go to the calculator. 138 divided by 2,300. We get 6, or 0.06. Of course, that's going to be 6 as a percentage when we multiply it by 100. And so our response here is 6. Okay, and since the percent sign's already in there, I didn't really feel the need to write these percent signs, but this is what they look like. That is how you calculate percentages of numbers.